Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a table in Supabase with SQL commands. So this is really quick and easy. And by the way, you have to make sure before starting that your Supabase is active and you have permissions to run SQL queries. And this will help you to set up your database structure exactly the way you want. So once you're here, what you will have to do is go to your project. So go ahead and click it and scroll a little until you see SQL editor. So just go ahead and click this as well and wait for it to load. And now that you're here, you will have to click new query to open blank SQL window like this. And once you're here, you will just have to type your SQL command. So here's an example. And finally, you will just have to click run, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that. And then Supabase will display a success message like a success message if the table was created, or an error if anything needs fixing. So as you can see, this needs fixing. So of course you will have um to fix whatever it is that needs to fix, that needs to be fixed. So yeah, that's basically just it. You could debug it with your assistant, or you could manually just fix it yourself. So it really depends on you. But anyway, they all have it anyway. So yeah, that's basically just it. And finally, go to your table editor so that you will be able to confirm if your new table exists. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.